What is pronoun? Yes, a pronoun is a word that is used in a place of noun. Okay, sometimes when you have to write a passage or a paragraph, okay, so at that time, if you are starting the paragraph with the name of a person or a name of a boy or name of a girl, okay, so if you have to write another line or next line, so at that time you will not write the name of that particular person, you will write the pronoun instead of that noun. Okay, so whatever we are writing instead of the noun, okay, he, she, it, you, I, we. So these all are the pronoun. That is pronoun. Whatever you are using instead of noun, in place of noun, this is pronoun. Okay, so pronoun is a word that is used in a place of noun. We use that is pronoun. So instead of Radha, yes, instead of Radha, I use she here. Okay, so see, this is the example of pronoun. Now see, I am going to tell about kinds of pronoun. Okay, so see, kinds of pronoun over here. See here. Yes, these all are the kinds of pronoun. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, then relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. So these all are the kinds of pronoun. Okay, so see here, first we are going to learn about the first kind, that is personal pronoun. So what is personal pronoun? Pronoun that are used for the people are called the personal pronoun. See, what is the definition of the personal pronoun? Pronoun that are used for people are called personal pronoun. Okay, so see here. Okay, personal pronoun substitutes a specific person or object. Okay, this pronoun specify, okay, subject or a object in the sentence. Okay, so see which are the personal pronoun, that is I, we, he, she, it, we, yes, and they. These all are the personal pronoun. Okay, so see students here, I, yes, I, we, he, she, it, you, and they. Okay, so these are all are the subjective pronoun. These all are the subjective pronoun. Okay, then me, him, her, you, it, us, they. These all are the objective pronouns. So pronoun which we use as a object in the sentence. Okay, so that is the objective pronoun. Okay, and the pronoun which we use as a subject in the sentence, that is subjective pronoun. Okay, so see what is subjective pronoun? Pronoun which we use as a subject in the sentence. Okay, so see example over here, they went to school. Okay, so see in the example they. Okay, so they is used as a subject in the sentence. Okay, they is a subject of the sentence, is it used as a subject of the sentence. Okay, they went to school. Okay, now see here, that is her car. Okay, so that is her car, that. Okay, so see here, that is the subject, okay, of the sentence, is her car. Okay, that is her car. So here her is a object of the sentence. Okay, that is also a kind of pronoun. It's a possessive pronoun. That is her car. Okay. So see, her is used as an object of the sentence. So that is a subject, is a verb, and her is the object of the sentence. Okay. Okay. So see, this is the personal pronoun. Okay. So see, personal pronouns are, yes, divided into two subkinds, that is subjective or objective. So see, what is the subjective pronoun? Pronoun which use as a subject in the sentence, that is subjective pronoun. And the pronoun which are used as an object in the sentence, that is objective pronoun. And which are the objective pronoun? Me, him, her, you, it, us, us, them. These are the objective pronoun and subjective pronoun. I, you, they, he, she, it, and we. Now see, I am going to tell you another example of the subjective pronoun. Okay, so see here. John, stay here. John, stay here. He is an artist. Okay, John stays here. He is an artist. Okay, so these both examples are about the John. Okay, John stays here and John is an artist. So instead of John we use he here. Okay, instead of John we use he here. Okay, so John stays here. He is an artist. So see student, John is a noun here. It's the subject of the first sentence. Okay, now see the second sentence. He is an artist. So he is, which we use instead of John. He is the subject of the second sentence. Okay, he is an artist. Okay, now see one more example of the subjective pronoun. I am a good listener. Okay, I am a good listener. So in the sentence, which is the subject of the sentence, that is I. Okay, I, it is a subjective pronoun. Here I is a subjective pronoun. I is a subject of the sentence. Okay, now see one more example. The teacher praised him. Okay, so see in the sentence, okay, here the teacher praised him. The teacher is a noun. Okay, praised is a verb and him is the object. So see students here, him. See here him. Yes, you can see him here. Okay, and it's an objective pronoun. Okay, so see it's him is an object. Okay, him is also a pronoun which used as an object in the sentence. So it's a objective pronoun. Okay, so see, subjective pronouns specify person or specific person or object. Okay, so it's a personal pronoun. So what is the personal pronoun? Personal pronoun are used for a people. Okay, the pronoun that are used for people are called the personal pronoun. Okay, second type. Yes, second type is the possessive pronoun. Yes, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns means what? Ownership. Okay, means the things is of you. Okay, means you are the owner of your thing. Okay, so this is the Possessive pronoun. Okay, so see, my book means book is yours, me, you are the owner of the book. Okay, my pen, okay, means the pen is your, okay, means you are the owner of that pen. See, my car, okay, my house, okay, means this is your thing, this is your things. Then when you have to show the possession, okay, so when you have to show the possession on thing, that time you use the possessive pronoun. Okay, so see here, possessive pronoun shows ownership of a noun. Okay, possessive pronoun shows ownership of noun. Okay, my pen, her book, okay, her eraser, her drawing book, okay, his friend. Okay, so these all are the possessive pronoun. See, independent possessive pronoun are not followed by another noun. Okay, so see, mine, yours, ours, his, hers, its, their. These all are the possessive pronoun. Okay, one, mine, then yours, ours, his, hers, its, and their. These all are the possessive pronouns. So pronoun which shows ownership of a noun, that is possessive pronoun. So see, the house is theirs. Okay, see, house is theirs. Okay, means that house is of that yes, some particular persons. Okay, means the house is theirs. Okay, cat is hers, the cat is hers, means she is the owner of that cat. Okay, she is the owner of that cat. Okay, so the cat is hers. Okay, so see, these all are the possessive pronoun. Okay, and these are the examples of the possessive pronoun. Okay, now see, we are moving on next type. Yes, reflexive pronoun. Yes, so students, what is reflexive pronoun? Yes. So see, reflexive pronoun used when the subject and the object. See, subject and object of the sentence are the same. See, when the subject and the object of the sentence is same, at that time we use the reflexive pronoun. Okay, means if you are talking about yourself, okay, so means subject is same and object is also the same, so at that time you use a reflexive pronoun. Okay, when these pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. See the example, you will understood from the examples. Yes, I want to buy myself a car. Car. Okay, I want for himself. Okay, he has to buy car for himself. Okay, so that is means, see, pronouns refer back to the subject, means it's talking about only the person. Okay, I is talking about himself. Okay, so see here, I want to buy myself a car. So I is the subject of the sentence and he is talking about himself. Okay, by using the myself, I want to buy myself a car, means he has to buy a car for himself only. Okay, now see, he poured himself a drink. Okay, he poured himself a drink. Okay, so see, in both the example, this pronoun, yes, this pronouns refers back to the subject, to the sentence. So these all are the reflexive pronoun. So which are the reflexive pronoun? Myself. Okay, then yourself. Okay, then ourselves. Okay, himself, then herself, itself, yourselves, and themselves. So these all are the reflexive pronoun. Okay, so see here, reflexive pronoun used when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same. Okay, now see, next type is relative pronoun. Okay, so see, next type is relative pronoun. So what is relative pronoun? Relative pronoun means the pronoun, okay, which is relate, okay, which is showing the relation about the noun, okay, with a noun. So that is the relative pronoun. So see, relative pronoun connect a clause or phrase to a noun or a pronoun. Okay, means it show the relation with the noun. Okay, so see, I don't know which hat to buy. Okay, so see here, I don't know which hat to buy means here in the sentence, yes, which is showing the relation with the hat. Okay, which hat? Okay, I don't know which hat to buy. Now see, second example, I didn't hear what you said. Okay, so here the relation, yes, what is showing the relation with the said? Yes, what you said. Yes, I don't hear what you say. Okay, so see, it's connect a clause or phrase. Okay, it's connect a clause or phrase to the noun or pronoun. Okay, so see, I don't know, it's a clause. Had to buy, it's a phrase. Okay, I didn't hear, it's also a clause. Okay, it's also clause. So see, connect, the relative pronoun always connect to the clauses or phrases. Okay, and see, it show the relation, it shows the relation. So that is the relative pronoun. Yes, relative pronoun shows the relation with the noun. Which cat? Okay, who came? Okay, so see here, I don't know which hat to buy. Okay, means which is showing the relation with the hat. Okay, so see, these all are the relative pronoun. Okay, which are the relative pronoun? Who, whom, okay, whose, which, where, when, why, what. So these all are the relative pronoun. So these all are the interrogative, means WH question word also. But these WH question word which we use as a which we use as a relation with the noun as a pronoun in the sentence, at that time it's a relative pronoun. At that time we use as a relative pronoun in the sentence. Okay, now see, next type is the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so what is demonstrative pronoun? So demonstrative pronoun used to point to the specific noun. Okay, means when you have to demonstrate something, that is this car, this boy, okay, that building, this fan, okay, these flowers. Okay, so when you have to demonstrate, when you have to point out, when you have to specify one thing, okay, when you have to point, or when you have to specify a noun, okay, so at that time you use the demonstrative pronoun. So demonstrative pronoun used to point to the specific noun being mentioned. Okay, whatever you have to mention, at that time you use the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, to show the specify, to show the to point out the things. Okay, so see here, they can be in the two, that is singular form and plural form. Okay, so you know that this is this and that, yes, these are the singular form, and this and those. Yes, they are the plural form. Okay, now see examples of the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, this car. This car. Okay, now you have to point out this car. Okay, now see that building. Okay, means you are specifying particular building. Okay, so that time you use these or that, and both are the singular, these and that, which we use as a singular. Okay, now see this flowers, this flower. See this, and it is this. Okay, this flowers. Okay, it's we use as a plural, means when we have show more than two, at that time we use the plural form. Okay, and see these and those are the plural form. Okay, now see, you know, also know, you also know that this. Okay, when we use this, yes, when we use this and this, when we have to show the thing which is near to us, which is near to us, at that time we use this and this. Okay, and when we use those and that, when we have to show the thing which is far away from us, at that time we use that and those. Okay, so this is the basic difference between these and that. Okay, and we also learn about the singular form and plural form. Now see,
Teacher, start.
okay students, so see example, those shoes look great. Okay, those shoes. Okay, those shoes looks great. Means here, see here. Yes, we use this demonstrative pronoun to point to specific noun. Okay, means which noun is here? That is shoes. Means we have to mention. Yes, we have to point out the particular shoes. Okay, here we have to point out the particular apples. Okay, so at that time when we have to show, when we have to point out a particular thing, okay, which we have to mention, at that time we use the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so see here, though the shoes look great. Okay, and see these apples are red. See, but both are in the plural form. Okay, see, shoes is also the plural form of shoe, and apples is also the plural form of apple. Okay, and those and these. Okay, those and these also the plural form. Okay, so see here, the demonstrative pronoun used to point to the specific noun being mentioned. Okay, and they can be singular or plural. Okay, now see demo, which are the demonstrative pronoun? This, yes, this, these, those, and that. So these are the demonstrative pronoun. So students, today we have learned about the personal pronoun. Which are the personal pronoun? Yes, which we use as a subject and which we use as an object. So which we use as a subject? I, we, he, she, it, you and they. So these are the subjective pronoun. Okay, and what is the objective pronoun which we use as an object? So me, us, him, her, okay, your, them and its. So these are the objective pronoun. Okay, then which are the reflexive pronoun? That is myself, ourselves, yourself, themselves, himself, okay, herself and itself. So these are the reflexive pronoun. Okay, now relative pronoun. Which are the relative pronoun? That whom, whose, which, where, when, why and what. So see, when the pronoun is used, okay, to show the relation with the noun, at that time these are the relative pronoun. Okay, now see, demonstrative pronoun means when we have to point out a specific thing. Okay, when we have to specify a particular thing, so at that time we use the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so see, these are question. Okay,
Hello.
means when see here.
Hello, Dhanashri teacher. Sorry for interrupt you. Should I start recording?
Teacher, I started already and
You-
so see students, what is interrogative pronoun? Interrogative pronoun means question. Yes, interrogative pronoun means question pronoun. Okay, interrogate means question. Okay, so when okay, so see, interrogative pronoun take the place of noun in question. Okay, interrogative pronoun take the place of noun in question. Okay, so see, which are the interrogative pronouns here? Who, whom, what, which and whose. Don't confuse in the relative pronoun and interrogative pronoun. So how you will understood? Yes, how you will identify that is interrogative pronoun? Because interrogative pronoun you used to ask the question. See, you used to ask the question and at the end of the sentence, you will put the question. You need to put the question. See, here there is a question mark. Okay, and you are going to ask the question. Okay, so interrogative pronoun, yes, use to ask the question. Yes, to use ask the question. And which are the interrogative pronoun? Who, whom, what, which and whose. So these are the interrogative pronoun. So see here example. What time will you arrive? Okay, what time will you arrive? So here the question is started with the WH word, that is what. Okay, so here what is a interrogative pronoun? Who is she talking to? Yes, who is she talking to? So here who is the interrogative pronoun, and see at the end there is a question mark also. So pronoun which we use to ask the question, that is interrogative pronoun. Okay, where are you? Where are you going? Okay, so this is the where interrogative pronoun. At the question mark. Okay, so pronoun which we use. See, pronoun which we use to ask the question, what is your name? So these are the interrogative pronoun. Okay, so see here, which are the interrogative pronoun then? So who, whom, what, which, whose. Okay, these all the WH word which we use to ask the question. These all are the interrogative pronoun. Okay, students.